Hello and welcome to the Brokermint and Google Sheets integration setup video. I'm going to show you how to connect Brokermint to Google Sheets so you can pull all your data in there. It's a super friendly, flexible spreadsheet. You can create reports, charts, whatever you need and learn exactly how your brokerage is doing. My name is Gabe. I'm with API Nation. We build these integrations to save you a ton of time and so you can go out there and make more money. Here is Brokermint. Let's get right to it. To set up this integration in Brokermint, you're just going to scroll on down to add-ons. And here are all the awesome add-ons and integrations for Brokermint. And here we are, this is the Google Sheets integration. You can see from API Nation, click that. And then you're just gonna click this configure button. And that's gonna take you to the API Nation website. And all you have to do now is connect the two, and connecting is what we do best here at API Nation. So we're gonna click Connect to Google Sheets. And to connect it, all you have to do is sign into the Google account of your choice, the Google account you want your Google Sheet created for. Alright, so Brokermint and Google Sheets are now connected. Now all we have to do is start the integration up. You can see here's the configuration screen where you can make slight tweaks to the integration if you'd like. You can rename the Google Sheet that you were sending over. By default, it's named Brokermint Transactions. So you would just search for that in your Google Drive if you want to find this spreadsheet full of your Brokermint data. The mapping's all set. We do that automatically for you. I'm just going to start it up. It's the most popular settings already in there, so it's going to work for me. I'm going to push start. There we go. You can see it's lit up. The integration is working. It's going to run every 10 minutes, pulling over any new or updated transactions from Brokermint into your Google Sheet. You can bump this up to once a day, or you can bump it as low as every 5 minutes if you'd like. It depends on your workflow. So that's it. That's how you set up Brokermint to Google Sheets. Super easy. It took us less than 2 minutes. If you want to go for some extra credit here, let me show you an additional step you can take to make this data even more usable. We're back here on that same page. I'm going to open up a new window. Here we are in Google. And I'm going to search for Google Data Studios. And this is a free product from Google that you can use to pull data like we've just put into your Google Sheet into a super flexible but also very attractive report. So I'm going to create a blank report, and then it's just going to ask me for my data source. And now that we've pushed things into a Google spreadsheet, we have a data source available for Google Data Studio. Create new data source. I'm going to connect it to Google Sheets, which is where I sent all my Brokermint data. This is super helpful because you can pull data from a few different spots. So for example, you can pull your Brokermint data in, but you can also pull Google Analytics from your website. Maybe if you're running Google Ads, there's also third-party connectors where you can pull in your Facebook ad information, and you can pull all this data in and run reports comparing all this stuff to get a bird's eye view on exactly how all these efforts are contributing to your success. So let me just show you the Google Sheets and Brokermint. Select Google Sheets. There's my Brokermint transaction. It's one I worked on recently. I'm going to click on that. I want sheet 1. That's where I put all my Brokermint data. Looks good. And connect. You can see this is all the information it's going to pull in. This is all the stuff you can run reports against, display, show, run queries against, add it to my report. Great, so now that we've added all that data to the report, it's already pulled some stuff in here. It showed me my closed and listing and pending. And over here on the right hand side, there's all this available data from Brokermint you can pull in to run reports and charts against. And also, if you need some inspiration, you can go to Google Data Studio, and they have some awesome templates so that you can take a look and see, get some ideas about how best to display your information from Brokermint. Here's one for a marketing website. Just to give you an example of what you can do, and you can actually use that template if you want to pull some of these reports out just to get started. So that's it. Your Brokermint and Google Sheets is set up. Like I said, that sets you up to create some really exciting things in Google Sheets or using Google Data Studio. It's totally up to you. We hope that helps. If you have any questions, ideas, or need some support, we're here. Shoot us an email at support@apination.com or give us a call. We love doing this stuff.